I came to my store to get some auger bits. Now, I buy a lot of auger bits as a carpenter, and all throughout my career, I buy them, and sometimes I buy another one and I keep one back for a spare. So I've got my spare set in the store. I went to get them. We have had loads of rain. The leaves have fallen, blocked the gutters. The water's come in and filled up the container with the drill bits. They've all become rusty. So I'm trying something that I've bought on Amazon. It's something to get all of the rust. I want to soak them in like a rust bath. And I just thought this might be quite useful, especially if the outcome is good. So I've had a good look through the instructions. It's fairly straightforward. The one thing that might have caught me out if I hadn't have read it and done the typical thing where you just think, I know what I'm doing, I'm just going to pour this in, dip this stuff in. It says it works best in 18 degrees plus, so that's basically indoors. Now I'm outdoors at the moment and it's about 5 or 6 degrees. So I'm going to actually have to take it in, which could be a bit of a liability. I'm going to have to be careful about if I spill it or whatever. So I'm going to pour it in here because this is where the rusty water was. So I'll pour a little bit in here, and it says to leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Now I reckon that it's probably best to go a bit longer than that. It says if that doesn't work, go for 24 hours. Now all I'm going to do is put in enough to submerge. It's about 25 millimeters. And then we'll just drop in all of these cutters. Got nothing to lose, have we? I mean, they're all rusty. We'll drop them in and we'll leave it to do its magic and see if it makes a difference, because it will be lovely, won't it? There we go. Put all those in to that solution. Give him a little swish around. Give him a little swish around. Add a little bit more. Right, and then we'll take those somewhere warm and see how it does. So this is what it looks like 4 hours in. So I've left it, I'm going to leave them overnight because I think that they were so rusty that this is what 4 hours in looks like. And to be honest, you know, it's amazing. It's so clean. I've even dropped an old set of wrenches in here because these were completely rusty, and now even those are looking much more metallic than they were before. Yeah, so pretty impressive so far. I'm going to just, sorry about the camera, moving camera. Let's have a look. There we go. They're looking good. Let's see how they look in the morning. I left the drill bits for a total of 24 hours in the end. In fact, a little bit more than 24 hours. And I'm going to get them now. I'm going to drain off the fluid and just have a look at just exactly how good it was. They've been soaking for 24 hours. Now what I'm going to do is take one out and just see how it looks. Let's have a look, anyone. And apart from the fact that there's got some tannins on it, this has got, when you use oak, quite often the drill bits, they turn quite black, but there's not a spot of rust on that. Let's put that one to one side there. Let's have a look at one of these. Again, this one's amazing as well. It's just absolutely, it's absolutely mint compared to what it was. And that one as well. Let's lay them all out here. I also put this wrench in as well, and that was in a real state. That, in fact, it actually works now. Look, so, yeah, you could really go to town on this, couldn't you? Yeah, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Let's drain some off. Right, and I reckon let's lay these out and see how they all shaped up. They just need a really good rinse, but on the whole, these drill bits are pretty good. I reckon that is such a worthwhile thing to have done. It cost around about £20 for the gear, and the result is all of my auger bits are in good order and ready for use another day. Now, if you want any more information on that, I will put a link in the description to the product that I used. And I could rinse these off with water now, but it just seems counterintuitive covering them in water again after all of that bathing in the solution. But yeah, we can see how brilliant that is. It's absolutely lovely. There's not a speck of rust on these tools, and they were completely caked up as well. So that is a good result.